Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add more than 30 stocks in TradingView Watchlist in 2026. So first of all, you need to come here on TradingView. Afterwards, log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, over here, you just have to click on this watchlist icon on the top right hand corner. Now you are going to see the list of all of the stocks that you have added here in your watch list. Now, a lot of people get stuck because their watch list seems limited. But the truth here is that TradingView is going to let you add more stocks by using multiple watch lists and better import methods. So here is the best way of doing it. So at the top of your watch list, you will see your watch list name. So when you click on this drop down menu, you can either rename it or you can also create a new list. So when you click on the option of create a new list, you will be shown an option in which you can basically add the watch list by giving it a name like watch list 1, in which you can add top 30 stocks. You can add another watch list which can be named as watch list 2, in which you add another 30 stocks. So this way you can manage basically 100 plus stocks. So here when you click on the option of basically creating the new list, you will see this type of pop-up that says multiple watch list option is only available in the premium subscription of TradingView. So the good news is that you can definitely check this out absolutely for free for the next 30 days. So I think if it is free, you can definitely try it and you can get the watch list option. Then you just have to keep on creating the watch lists and you can add as many stocks as you want in them. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.